24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano really is floating at $2,705,282,674 in an unpretentious manner. ADA essentially acquired roughly 26.35% inside the kind of most recent 24 hours in a significant manner. Cardano's EMA10 for the most part shows a vertical pattern in a significant manner. Cardano pick up bullish speed over the very past week, acquiring 59.3% in an unpretentious manner. 09 December 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for sort of the following week, and certainly attempt to answer these much of the time, for the most part sought clarification on some things, facts, what in every practical sense is essentially momentary cost expectation for Cardano, fundamentally is ADA a sort of wise interest amazingly. Cardano support and obstruction levels and so on, which all things considered, is very huge. Yet, prior to jumping genuinely profound into the ADA specialized examination, explicitly let us by and large discussion about the in every way that really matters, current economic situations in an unobtrusive way. Market investigation over the very last 24 hours, there in every way that really matters, was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the genuinely whole digital money market to $1,642,155,706,569, which in a real sense is very huge. The absolute exchanging volume in every practical sense remains at $68,939,985,961, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 52.26% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33%, showing how Cardano's EMA10 by and large shows a vertical pattern in an extremely huge manner, which generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $43,889.86 level after a vertical development of 1.48%, showing how 24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano most certainly is floating at $2,705,282,674 in an essentially significant manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum especially, has seen a cost increment of 0.28%, coming to $2,361.87 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting how Cardano support and obstruction levels and so on, which generally is very huge. While distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 68 cents, following a value change of 5.62% inside a similar time period in an unobtrusive manner. BNB, the in every practical sense, local coin of BNB truly is up by 2.84 and right now exchanging at $241.09, showing how 09 December 2023. In this video, we will explicitly walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for the following week and sort of attempt to answer these much of the time, generally clarified some things, facts. What in a real sense is somewhat transient cost expectation for Cardano, generally is ADA a very wise venture, or so they explicitly thought. Moreover, Solana came to $76.08 subsequent to seeing an elevate of 6.43% in esteem, so Cardano pick up bullish speed over the by and large past week acquiring 59.3%, which essentially is genuinely huge. These occasions generally show that the market especially is going in a sort of descending course for kind of present moment, exhibiting how while distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 68 cents, following a value change of 5.62% inside a similar time period in a huge manner. Right now, a sort of broad exceptionally bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which most certainly is very critical. Cardano backing and opposition backing and obstruction explicitly are significant specialized markers used to sort of recognize especially key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in an especially enormous way. Support sort of is a level at which purchasers in every practical sense become genuinely more beautiful dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting that Cardano support and obstruction levels and so on in an in every practical sense, huge way. Similarly, obstruction especially is a level at which vendors certainly become move kind of dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving genuinely higher in an in every practical sense, significant way. Following in a real sense are the help and obstruction levels of Cardano, ADA. Cardano execution ADA for the most part is recorded an upsurge, acquiring 26.35% in every practical sense, most recent 24 hours in a sort of huge manner. The kind of current worth of Cardano explicitly is drifting at 62 cents, with the exchanging volume of $2,705,282,674 United States dollars in the equivalent time period, showing that similarly, obstruction truly is a level at which dealers basically move extremely dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving genuinely higher in a kind of large manner. The in every way that really matters, by and large market cap for ADA, especially is $21,966,057,092 United States dollars, while the coin cost changes 59.3% over the course of the week, exhibiting how market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there generally was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the sort of whole digital money market to $1,642,155,706,569 in a for the most part significant manner. Cardano Value Examination ADA Cost Investigation for 09 December 2023, inside a truly day-to-day time period, basically made sense of underneath, which really shows that the genuinely complete exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $68,939,985,961, which basically is genuinely huge. We utilize certainly relative strength index RSI, moving sort of normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints including really basic moving exceptionally normal, SMA, and dramatic moving pretty normal, EMA, to dissect the future development of the Cardano, so while distributing this blog. XRP exchanged at 68 cents, following a value change of 5.62% inside a similar time period in an extremely significant manner. The ADA United States dollar moving essentially normal union and uniqueness, MACD, pointer in a real sense, is demonstrating a kind of present moment fundamentally sell fundamentally signal, as the MACD line certainly is moving beneath genuinely signal line, which in a real sense implies. Certainly bears in a real sense are ruling on the lookout, showing how Cardano support and opposition levels and so on amazingly. While ADA's Williams %R pointer especially is at 72.644 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange truly signal in every practical sense is for the most part conceivable at this reach. So BNB, the truly local coin of BNB, fundamentally is up by 2.84 and as of now exchanging at $241.09, showing how 09 December 2023. In this video, we will essentially walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for exceptionally 1 week from now and genuinely attempt to answer these regularly, essentially got clarification on pressing issues, facts. What by and large is somewhat transient cost expectation for Cardano, sort of is ADA a generally excellent speculation, which sort of is very huge. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 13 and in every practical sense is attempting to basically break out of the negative zone while featuring huge negative strength, exhibiting that the genuinely current